Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Mama Dance, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to be doing a speed clean with me of my entire house. We live in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. It is 850 square feet, and it was built in 1928. It has a lot of really cool quirks and character pieces to it, and our family does practice minimalism as a way to make sure that our space serves us rather than the other way around. If you are not already, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at DanceMamaDance to see more cleaning motivation and minimalism mom ideas. One of our goals as a family over the next few months is to adapt a more zero-waste lifestyle. One of the big ways I hope to achieve this is by grocery shopping for items that don't necessarily come in a single-use plastic bag or package. It's definitely a difficult goal for us to achieve as we don't have a lot of bulk food stores around us, but it's definitely something I want to work towards. One of the ways our family is working towards the goal of being zero waste is we do take any plastic bottles that come into our home and we reuse them. We have a rain barrel outside, and we take the plastic bottle once it's been used out to the rain barrel, and we fill it up with rainwater, and then we use that rainwater to water our flowers. That is going to be it for this video, everyone. I hope it provided you a ton of cleaning motivation. And if you are not already, please make sure that you are following me on Instagram at DanceMamaDance. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel.